In this video, I will look at using a for each loop with an array. So I'm carrying on from my previous video there where I declared an array. So I have it here, I declared an array of numbers and equals value 2, 4, 6, and 8. So with that, I'm just going to output there into the text box, output to text. So equals, or plus equals if I want to keep the code there from before. Output from the for each loop. Now, so for each, you can do tab there to get that code snippet. So the for each loop loops through any kind of list or set or collection that you have. It uses there the keyword in the middle. On the right hand side there is the collection or the set or the array that you're looping through. So I'll be changing that to my nums. And then on the left hand side, so var there is when the compiler can work out what data type the item is. So in this case it will be an int. It would change that to an int then at runtime. You can leave it at var, you can leave it at you can change it to an int. It doesn't matter in this example. So now as it will loop through the array for you, my nums, and as it loops, each value will be stored in a variable called item. So it's that item that I want to put into the text box. So text output.text equals, so just item, and then I concatenate on a space there. So double quotes and a space. Now, so just to run that. So that is the for each loop there in C#. Now, so output from the for each loop 2, 4, 6, 8, and then if I was really picky, I'll put in a new line there and a new line there as well. So just to add those in, but that is a for each loop there in C#. So it loops through a collection, and on the left hand side of the in, basically you're declaring a single variable to hold each value as it loops through the loop, and var there will change to an int because it is an int array. And that is a for each loop. I'm just going to finish this off and add in the new lines there. So my nums, environment.newline and a plus, and output from the for each loop. I have put that in the wrong place. I meant to put that down here. Output from the for each loop, and then again you might want a new line there at the end as well. And there we go, and just finally just test that out. Super.